Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Downloader on Samsung Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. Samsung Smart TVs use Tizen OS, which does not support the Downloader app that's typically available on Android-based devices like Fire TV or Android TV boxes. However, there are a few alternative methods you can use to achieve the same functionality. The first method is to use the built-in web browser. Start by pressing the home button on your Samsung remote to open the main menu. Then find and open the internet or web browser app on your TV. From here, you can use the browser to search for and directly access online content or media from supported websites, similar to how you would use the Downloader app. The second method is to use an external streaming device that supports Downloader. If you specifically want to use the Downloader app, connect a compatible device such as an Amazon Fire Stick, Chromecast with Google TV, or an Android TV box to your Samsung TV via an HDMI port. Once the device is connected, go to its App Store. For example, the Amazon App Store on Fire Stick. Search for Downloader and install it. You can then open Downloader on that external device and access your desired content, which will display directly on your Samsung TV through the HDMI connection. The third method is to use screen mirroring from a mobile device. To do this, install the Downloader app on your smartphone or tablet. Then, on your Samsung TV, go to Settings, General External Device Manager, Device Connection Manager, and enable screen mirroring. On your phone, turn on Smart View for Samsung phones, or Cast for Android devices, and select your Samsung TV. This allows you to mirror the Downloader app from your phone to your TV screen and use it indirectly. These three methods let you enjoy the functionality of the Downloader app, even though it isn't directly available on Samsung's Tizen OS. And that's it. So that's basically how you can install Downloader on Samsung Smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.